Hi, it's Christy with Create with Christy. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to use just the standard brushes that come with Procreate and give you some ideas of how to use them.
Okay, so now we're going to talk about brushes. This is something you just want to play with, but we've got different kinds of pencils. I'm going to make sure our ink is black. Right here, this tool is the brush size. So right now, I'm drawing a line and you can barely see it. I'm going to go up to the middle and you can see it a little bit better, and I'm going to go the darkest, and that's what you get when you use the Narinder pencil. So if you're sketching with pencils, that's what you'll get. We're going to do inking, a technical pen I use a lot. I'm making it bigger, and then I'm making it the biggest it'll go. Okay? Let me move all these up. So I select this, and that'll move it all out of the way. Oops. Now I'm going to go to another pen, and you could go to all different kinds. Let's do a marker. So the marker, the smallest, the middle, and the top. See how it has that marker fuzzy look? So it really looks like a marker. The brushes are really cool. You can download brushes and buy them from people. I haven't really done that. I got a couple free ones, but I think what it comes with is really a good selection. Okay, there's all kinds that you can use. There's a stipple brush, and I didn't even do it small because it's probably so small I don't see how you can see it. Okay, so let's go to calligraphy. This is where I use most of my brushes. Now right here you'll see something that you don't have, and that's because I made these brushes. These are my business logo and my web address. So that's, I don't know why I put them there, but that's where they are. So what I use the most on here is down here at the bottom. I use monoline a lot, and I use script a lot, and brush pen because I hand letter a lot. We'll start with monoline. That's really nice. Okay, let's do the script pen. Now, what you'll see in the script pen is that when it's pressure sensitive, and so when I press down, I'm going to go up first. When I press down, it makes it a lot thicker. Okay, it's a little thick right now. Press up, press down, lift up, press down. So if you know how to do brush lettering, then you got it. You just have to use the pressure. And now I'm going to do the brush pen. That was the script. This is the brush. Now we're to the painting ones. These are all so fun. I'm going to kind of go in the middle for all of these so you can get an idea of what they look like. See how that one's real flat and straight. This one's rounded. This one's called jagged. Oh, I'm going to make it bigger. See how jagged that is? Again, you can play with these, but this is one of my favorites right here. Now, the ink runs out. It's like if you had a paintbrush and you're just running out of ink, so keep that in mind, that you have to pick it up. And it's kind of, I do finger painting with this on my iPad all the time, like that. Oriental brush, old brush, dry brush, and water brush. Let's go to artistic. I love this fresco one. It's really cool. Could you not just watch that all day? I could. I just find that so fascinating. I honestly love this brush. We didn't talk about the eraser much. So the eraser, obviously, it erases, okay? See how it's kind of smearing stuff around though instead of erasing? That's because when you click on eraser, it's on a damp brush. So it's kind of erasing like a damp brush would erase. So you need to find which brush you like for it to erase and go with that. And I normally just have it on monoline because I don't know why. Using it, and the reason it's blue is because that's what the background color is. So we were right here, and now the eraser is where I wanted it. If I erase this top layer, it's going to show to the bottom whatever I have on there. Pretty cool. If I take off all that, it's gone. Everything's gone because I did it all on one layer. Okay, so let's try something on top of that. A different brush. There's watercolor. Let's do something that would show up on here. Now, underneath this, what color do you think it's going to be? If I flip-flop that. If I make this layer, layer 2. Why does it both say layer 2? If I make layer 2 go underneath the other layer 2, what's going to happen? It's going to be yellow under there. I don't know why it says that, but you can name these if you want to click on these.
I hope you enjoyed learning about some of these brushes. There are so many more brushes on here that you can play with, and you can download brushes. And some people make brushes to sell. You can also make your own brushes. But the purpose of these videos is the very, very basic beginner. And so to not get you overwhelmed or confused, I think go with what comes with the program and get familiar with that before you move on to the next step. Stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to share you more of what you can do with the You Are Loved layout. Thanks for watching.